Out as far as you can, straight ahead. Nice. There you go. Good job. Beautiful. Oh yeah. And he's moving.
He's coming right at you. See if I can get him down here.
My line's out, so our videographer might have to be the net man.
Wow. Just ease him up on the beachland and I'll help you pull him out. Oh my. That's a nice fish.
Pretty fish.
Gorgeous.
Got a little bit of a hooky face on it.
Look at that. There's my hand. That tells you how big he is. We're gonna let him go.